Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about the per diem parameters which I have showcased in my first video of per diem. So I will be continuing that part and I will explain you why that parameters are used and why that will be used. So this video will be in two parts. Let's get started. So this is the reference from the Microsoft document. I will attach the link in the video description so you can go through this document and you will get a better overview and idea of this document. So this is commented by Maya. So I'm creating this video. So let's get started. This is the system expense parameter under the per diem. So for expense parameter, you have to go to expense management, setup and journal, then expense management parameter. Here in my previous video I have defined the setup default per diem rate tiers and first and last day defaults. Minimum hours I have defined in my last video, maybe something else, but in this video for explaining I have defined 4 hours and meal percentage 50, hotel percentage 50 and other percentage 50. So what is the use of this? In last video, we have covered basic simple scenario where per diem rate is created and it will be calculated on based on location or fixed rate if it is defined on the employee level. So by using this, you can define some specific set of rule where on the first day and last day how the per diem will be calculated. So I will show you in the system. Okay. Now these parameters are defined here. If you see, we have covered this journal tab in our last video. Now we will be covering about the per diem rates tier, second tab. So if I click on new button, system will automatically fetch all the default data which we have defined on the parameters, expense management parameters. So we don't have to define, but it can be different for location up as per the location. Okay, for some location it can be 100% hotel on first day, but uh, for some location 50% hotel for the some day. So these are the parameters, it is by default defined. So you don't have to define again and again. Okay, now this is how setup parameter part works. Okay, this is why this setup parameters are used. Okay, and in my next video I will show you how we can use this per diem rate tiers. Before that, before ending this video, I will show you the calculation. Okay, let me remove this and let me go to expense management and save this. If you see here, I'm traveling from 1st June to 3rd June, and sorry, my user is traveling from 1st June to 3rd June. Now if you see, these are the rates. I have multiplied these rate with 3 and this is my calculation which is coming correctly. Okay, if you see, it is 510. Now in next video, next part of this video, what we will be doing is we will be covering about the percentage, first day and last day percentage and how it will be calculated. So I have prepared the sheet as per my understanding and my examples. So I will explain you this in my upcoming video. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video very soon. So tada, bye bye, see you in the next one.